Greetings and welcome back to B Auto Space. My name is Bernard. For the new guys in the channel, ensure that you subscribe, like the video and share if possible. Now, budget ya leo ni 250 to 600,000 Kenyan shillings. So stay around and enjoy the video. So number one, we have Nissan B15 KBJ number plate. Gari ni ya 2004, white in color. Inakuja na 1.5 liter petrol engine, rather 1500cc petrol engine with an automatic gear transmission. Now this car, previously it was going for 350,000 Kenyan shillings, but now the price has reduced to 330,000 Kenyan shillings. So if you are interested in this vehicle, you can come for it with only 330, and remember that price is negotiable. It is not a fixed price. Just have a look at that car keenly. And by the way, this KCE is also still available. Hiyo Toyota Belta. So kama unataka hii gari, namba yangu iko hapo. If you are someone who is ready and is willing to buy it, my number is there. You can call or WhatsApp me. But kama bado unajipanga, hujakuwa tayari bado, I'm going to post the photos for this vehicle in our WhatsApp page. Sorry, on our Facebook page. So you can visit that page to go through the photos. Number 2, tuko na hii gari ingine inaitwa Toyota Belta, KCH number plate, silver in color. Gari ni ya 2009. Inakuja na 1000cc with an automatic gear transmission, clean unit, buy and drive, accident free, and you can see the body does not need any work. So for this unit, if you are interested, kuja na 650, and remember the price is negotiable. The price is not fixed, it is negotiable. So kama unataka hii Toyota Belta, please come with only 650,000 Kenyan shillings, and remember that price is negotiable. It is not a fixed price. Of course ni 5-seater car. So kwa wale ambao wamekuwa wakisema watu wengine wana import gari bila kufanyiwa inspection, hiyo badge yenye umeona hapo hivyo ni badge ya wale ambao wako mandated to do inspection for all cars that are being exported from Japan to Kenya. Now hiyo gari iko hapo, kuja na 650. Another car that is on offer is Toyota Crown Royal. Now this one is the first generation, I think so, if I'm not wrong. Inakuja na 2.5 liter or rather 2500cc engine capacity with an automatic gear transmission. So this car is also, I think the price, considering also with the condition, I think it is on offer. It's a 5-seater car, very clean unit, no bodywork that is needed on it, and the logbook is also available for transfer. So kama unataka hii gari, come with 750,000 Kenyan shillings, 750, and you're good to go. So if you're someone who is looking for something that will give him performance, something that is so durable, something that will also give you or rather put you in a certain class, please come for this Toyota Crown with only 750,000 Kenyan shillings. I like that logo, very beautiful. So let me show you the interior. At the door panel, you can see you are being welcomed by 4-power window control system. Over there you can see, and also the door looks very neat, no scratches on the door. So generally the interior of this car looks awesome. Nothing needs to be fixed. The seats are awesome, pretty good, and you'll also realize that it also comes with fully loaded music system in it. So watu wangu wa kujientertain wakati mna drive, you are sorted. But with only 750,000 Kenyan shillings, you get yourself this luxurious car. Now when you are buying Toyota Crown, you need to be sure of one thing. In terms of consumption, your pocket needs to be a bit deep. considering this one comes with the 2500cc. And also in terms of maintenance, you cannot compare it with the likes of Axio or the likes of Toyota Corolla NZD or even Allion. So Toyota Crown ni ile gari yenye wale ambao wana upgrade wanaendea hii gari. So armrest pia iko hapo hivyo, you can see how it's so beautiful, it can move and all that. So all the lights are functional including the hazard, kila kitu iko sawa. With only 750,000 Kenyan shillings you are good to go on that car. Now you must have realized that I'm shooting these videos in various locations, but be assured all the vehicles are based in Nairobi. So kama unataka yoyote yenye unataka, just let me know. So for those who are waiting for the one for 250, hapa hivi tuko na Mitsubishi Lancer KAT number plate. Gari ya kitambo kiasi, gari ni ya 1998. Red wine in color, very neat. Of course, I can't lie to you that this one is an original paint, but rather it has been repainted. All the wheels are okay. Mechanically the car is very awesome. You don't need to worry much about that. Now this one comes with a 1.5 liter petrol engine with an automatic gear transmission. Don't worry about the seats, those are just seat covers that are a bit torn, but you can replace them. There are things that you can remove and replace them with the new ones, so don't worry much about them. And also this one is a 5-seater car. For someone who just want to start his life by having a car, you can come for this particular unit because of the following reasons. Number one, very cheap to maintain. In terms of consumption, it consumes very low per kilometer. I mean it covers a lot of kilometers per liter. And of course spare parts are also available, readily available in fact. So with only 250 you are good to go. Now allow me say something, that the price is not negotiable, it is a fixed price. So kama unataka hii gari, come knowing very well that the price is fixed, the price is not negotiable. For those who are just interested in just viewing the photos, our Facebook page is available. You can find all the photos, including some that we are not posting here. You can find all those photos in those on that page. Next we have Toyota Sienta KD, is it KDG or KDE? Of course ni red wine in color. Ladies in the house, I think you really like this one. So it comes with the 1.5 liter petrol engine with some with an automatic gear transmission. It also comes with the 4 power window control system. At the door panel you can see over there, and the interior of this car looks very neat. Something that you'll realize is that whenever a car has got a clean exterior, the interior also tends to be very clean. That means whoever was using this car, or rather is currently using this car, is someone who is not ruthless on the road. So he took good care of the car. That's why you can see it is in good shape. So for this one, you can come with the 880,000 Kenyan shillings. Remember that price is negotiable. One reason why I'll advise you to go for Sienta is because you can use it for family use, you can use it for business purpose or other commercial purpose, and at the same time you can use it for personal use, just commuting from work to home and all that. Now it's very economical considering it comes with a very low cc, but in terms of carrying capacity, it comes with a very a good carrying capacity, that is being that it is a 7-seater car. So with only 880 you're good to go. For those who are looking for Uber cars, you can also use this one for Uber, since it is a 2015 year of make, so you can register it for online Uber business. The engine area, that's how it looks like. Nothing needs to be fixed, everything looks intact, mechanically eco sound, and you can confirm that when you come for a test drive. For those who want to buy this car, who are ready to buy the car, please contact us. Our number is there. And for those who just want to see the photos, kama kawaida, Be Autospace tuko na Facebook page. You can visit the page, and then you have a look at all the photos that we have been uploading in that page. Of course, in that page we have also clarified that some of the vehicles are already sold, so you can find out. Ukisha watch unaweza enda pale uangalie zile magari zenye zimeuzwa na zile zenye bado ziko. So next tuko na Toyota Ipsang, and the reason why today I'm dwelling on 7-seater cars is because we are approaching December, and during December, or rather during rush hour, kuna kuwaga na shida sana wakati wa kutravel, especially from urban areas or rather urban centers to up country. So you have your family, and maybe you're just wondering how you can reach home. With a 7-seater car, you are good to go. And guess what? With only 380,000, you can come for this unit. Remember, the price is slightly negotiable. With only 380, you get yourself this beautiful car. So this one comes with a 2.4 liter petrol engine. The engine is quite big, of course, in 2.4, and then it also comes with an automatic gear transmission. The interior looks awesome, very neat, with some bit of upholstery that were done on it. But with only 380, all these will belong to you. The logbook for this car is available, so upon purchase, the transfer will be done immediately. Yeah, so next tuko na Toyota Ractist. For those who have been asking for Toyota Ractist, hii gari price yake imereduce kiasi. Kitambo ilikuwa inaenda at 720, but now the price has dropped a bit. So this one comes with a 1.5 liter petrol engine with an automatic gear transmission. It's silver in color. Year of make ni 2011. So the price has dropped. If you are looking forward to having Toyota Ractist for yourself, you can come for this car with only 680. Very neat car, buy and drive, no mechanical issues, logbook available for transfer. All these cars that we have been showing in this video, not all of them are can be financed through microfinance or through bank, considering their year of make and conditions. But a good percentage, almost 90%, can be financed. So kama uko na deposit, and the deposit is always 60% of the value of the car, or rather sometimes we call it the first value. Kama uko na hiyo pesa, and you are sure you'll be able to pay back whatever you'll be given, please come for the car. But kama uko sure, jipange kwanza ndo ukuje. So last but not really last, but this is the second last unit, we have Toyota Vitz KDA number plate, silver in color as well. This one comes with 1.3 liter petrol engine. Kama kawaida kuna kuwaga na ile ya 1000cc, alafu kuna hii ingine ya 1300cc. So hii inakuja na 1300cc with an automatic gear transmission, silver in color, accident free. The car is a 5-seater car, mechanically eco sound. Let me show the interior, and there we go. We have some beautiful 4-power window control system over there, some bit of cup holders, and the interior just looks awesome. Nothing needs to be fixed. just some bit of upholstery was done na zimetokana kiasi, lakini hizo unaweza replace because the original seat cover is still intact. So kama unataka hii gari, kuja na 750,000 Kenyan shillings. 750,000 Kenyan shillings. Now, as I'm doing this video, I can see some notification on my phone regarding some issue that is popping up on this issue of the son of the late former Prime Minister, that is Raila Amolo Odinga. We have quite a number of people, or rather TikTokers, who are doing some content and doing some imitation and all that. Well, I don't want to talk much about it right now, but I'll do a short video and maybe just post to just be a reminder and maybe a caution to whoever. No one is immortal anyway, by the way. So that one aside, so last but not least, tuko na Toyota Vitz KCX number plate. It also comes with the 1.3 liter petrol engine with an automatic gear transmission. For this one comes with for this one you need to come with 680, and remember the price is negotiable. 680 and the price is negotiable. So if you have made it to this end, allow me to say thank you so much for taking your time. And for those who are interested and you are ready to come for the vehicles, please, my number is there. You can call, or you can WhatsApp me, or you can text. And if you just want to see the photos, because I understand some of you are still making plans, bado unangoja pesa zako zifike and all that, bado una save na unataka tu kuona picha and maybe what your savings can get you as at now, you can visit our Facebook page. All the photos are there. Just send a friend request, we'll be able to accept, and every time we post any photo, you'll get a notification and you'll be able to check on it. So allow me say thank you so much, guys, for taking your time, and may God bless you. And for those who are preparing to come, please make prior arrangements so that we don't collide with other activities.